Do you ever feel overwhelmed by having too many choices? Like when you're ordering at a restaurant and have a massive menu to choose from, researching can sometimes feel the same way. You might search for articles on a topic like California grizzly bears, only to get page upon page of results. This is where Boolean operators come in. These are connectors that, when combined with keywords, provide instructions to a database that optimize your search results. Think of it like placing your order for information, so you get exactly what you want. There are 3 simple words to remember: and, or, and not. Think of and as a must-have. When you use and between your keywords, you're telling the database to give you results that must include both of your terms. Use and when there are multiple concepts that you want to appear in all of your results. It's like ordering a sandwich and saying, "I want avocado and cheddar." Your sandwich has to have both. This is how you narrow down your search to fewer but more specific results. Or is your either option. Use this when there are synonyms or related concepts for your topic. Using or tells the database to find results with either or both of your terms. When you order and say, "I want Swiss or provolone," you might end up with a sandwich that has either cheese or both if you're lucky. Or broadens your search, so you won't miss relevant results just because the authors use slightly different words to describe the same concept. Finally, you can use the word not between your keywords. Not excludes terms, so they will be removed from your search results. It's like ordering all of the vegetables and saying, "but not olives." The store knows to leave olives off your sandwich. If you were searching for information on caffeine, but didn't want results about coffee, you could search for caffeine, not coffee. This limits your results to only those relevant to your research. Many databases are case-sensitive, so enter your Boolean operators in all caps, or use the built-in selector in the advanced search option. While Boolean is the language most databases understand, some, like Academic Search Complete, allow you to ask your research questions the same way you might ask a person or enter a Google search. However, you won't see this feature in every database, and many of these are AI-powered. This has some limitations, so evaluate the results you get and use your Boolean operators to refine your search as needed. That's it. Just remember, and combines, or expands, and not excludes. These terms adjust your search for more effective results. Use Boolean operators as the ingredients to your perfect research recipe.